wailadmeki silau balong ru MLA jong kajwai konstituensi haba ai ka jingkran haka sngi balong ya ka graduation day hakyang nong ba college udah ai play ya ki bala pendep ya ka pulai putih jong ki bat la ong ru bangala tieng mynta namar on sawan ki kimi ki pa jong pi ban wan pan yarap ban penyok kam sokar udah ong ru kamut on dala dep pulai kala suk hanre ka ne gede ka jing sedang baka jingkit klik ru kadang he taka ba ai nuksa haka por uyalap election sistem myo ban thia ban dem bha ne ban bam ban di bha taka ba umut ba ondala job election uyo ya ka jing suk hanrei ka kala khompong nama ka jingkit klik kum unong ilang khamat kadang he shushu wailadmeki haka ne ka sngi ulap klik peliru ya ka security kat room ka badon ha college ka ba ulayarap ban penyo pisah ban sna ya ka.
I'm very happy for you all, and at the same time, little bit scared. You know why I'm scared? Because many of you, if not you, your parent will come to us now for your job. For government job, not for any other job, but mainly for government job. So that's why I know it will be a big burden for us. But from my end, I'm ready for that challenge. And I hope you are ready as well. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all, especially your parents, your teachers, who have made this possible today. And at the same time, I know now all of you have tired of lecture, because all this year you have been listening to all of the lectures. So I won't give you much of the lecture, because all of you have graduated. But I'd like to tell you from my experience. At the point of time where you think that, no, I have done, I have achieved. But at that particular moment, your responsibility grows. I still remember when I first fought my election. For one whole year, I didn't sleep properly. I didn't eat properly. I didn't have a chance to be with my family or to any of the many of the programs. And I was thinking that once this election will get over, and if I win, then everything will be over. I can do everything I like, and I can go to wherever I want. But that's not the case. It was totally opposite of that. After I have won the election, my responsibility grew more and more. Because all this time, people were not expecting of me. Because I have not done, I have not achieved what I have been trying to. But after I won the election, then the people start to come to me with all the problem, all the needs. So the same thing will happen with you now. Same thing. Your parent, all of this time, who has supported you, now they will start to expect from you.